Hey, do you want to create YouTube thumbnails like this, and this with the help of AI? So let's go. Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to use Ideogram AI to create eye-catching and engaging YouTube thumbnails. Ideogram AI is a powerful tool that uses artificial intelligence to generate images from text descriptions. This means that you can simply type in a description of what you want your thumbnail to look like, and Ideogram AI will generate a custom image for you. Go to the Ideogram AI website and create an account. You will be taken to the Ideogram AI dashboard. Enter the title of your video and a brief description. Select the desired aspect ratio for your thumbnail. Click on the Generate button to generate. Review your thumbnail and make any necessary changes. Click on the Download button to download your thumbnail. Creating thumbnails using Ideogram AI is a simple and efficient process that will help you create high-quality thumbnails quickly and easily. By following the tips in this video, you can create YouTube thumbnails that will help you attract more viewers and watch your videos. Thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos on AI tools and technology.